FowlPlay is a collaborative art piece that explores conceptual methods of capturing the movement and flow of water. Our ultimate goal is to bring attention to the water of Lake Merced and highlight the path of objects that might flow through the water. The artistic exploration of FowlPlay includes physical computing and emerging technologies to capture the flow of the water. These methods include GPS readings and tracking, along with Arduino tilt sensors. In addition to our original goal, FowlPlay attempts to utilize this data to capture the essence of the lake's movement and flow.
So we're doing test number 1 of the rubber ducky.
Me? We just tied them together.
Cool.
So they don't float away. And now we're gonna use this ball to
Cool.
control and put them in.
Yeah. We tested launching the rubber duckies on their own, and we discovered that we must build a floating device in order for the rubber duckies to stay afloat. In addition, the floating device will contain the GPS and Arduino sensor technologies. We discovered Lake Merced has a reasonable amount of current, which will help us continue with our project. The artistic endeavor of FowlPlay is to capture movement and flow of Lake Merced. We are using emerging technologies as a medium to capture the essence of the movement of this body of water. Yeah, so actually the sensor is going to be a great idea because there are a lot of elements in the water to have them interact.
We realized that the ducks float, and we're thinking now that we need to have some type of foam kind of like board base underneath to make it like just move as a group and like attach maybe sensors to it and stuff.
So we realized like the farther it is into the lake, the better trajectory it's going to make. As you can see now, it's been less than a minute and it has a farther trajectory. So,
Less than a minute, folks.
Yeah. We might be looking into getting a boat so we can drop it like in the middle.
our team, which we named Clustered Duck Art Collective, is working in the lab. We are working together to create FowlPlay, the art piece. The project is a collaborative piece created by Ernie, Jason, Philip, and Seth. We assembled all the rubber duckies into one floating entity piece. The FowlPlay floating device is an art piece in itself. We then attached a GPS tracking system and an Arduino sensor that was programmed to capture the tilt movement of the water.
For the Arduino component of this piece, we chose to program a data retrieval system using a tilt sensor in unison with the memory storage in the Arduino. With every tilt of the sensor, the Arduino transcribes a reading of 1. When off, it transcribes 0. With the resources available, we were able to reach a total of 512 readings. This allowed us to conceptually estimate the movement and flow of the water. are filming. Alright guys, ready? Bon voyage! And away they go.